In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP PageWide Enterprise Color version 556DN series printer on your Windows laptop, PC, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search, just search for HP PageWide Enterprise Color 556DN printer support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP PageWide Enterprise Color 556DN. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to just scroll down and expand the driver, universal print driver section and select the item under here that says HP Universal Print Driver for Windows. Go ahead and download that item. And once it's done, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting to your device or your computer. And then once that's open here, just scroll through the files until you find the install application and go ahead and run that. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the agreement here to go ahead and install it via USB or traditional mode, whatever your preferred method is. And then just select next, and then just allow it to run through the whole process of installing the drivers on your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.